Reka nongere nguhe ikaze udukurikiye kuri Teladig News TV, umuyoboro w'amakuru uk'urubyiruko. Amazina yanjye ni Hirwa Redemptus. Niye nkuru nkuzaniye nta yindi Lebron James, abenshi mu muzi mu mukino wa basket, by'umwihariko muri shampiyona yo muri Leta zunze ubumwe za Amerika ya NBA. Uyu mugabo rero yaje gufungura ikigo cy'ishuri muri Akron muri Leta ya Ohio. Ku munsi wa mbere rero uyu mugabo hari ijambo yatangaje, ijambo yagejeje ku bari bitabiriye mu biro byo gufungura iryo shuri ku mugaragaro. Uyu mugabo yaramaze kuzuza ibi, akaba yatangaje ko impamvu yabikoze nta yindi nuko azi ububabare ndetse n'urugendo yakoze ubwo yajyaga ava wabo agiye ku ishuri. Ariyo mpamvu rero yafashe abanyeshuri barenga 240 akabegereza ishuri mu buryo bwo kuborohereza kutajya kure yaho batuye. Mu ijambo rero yagejeje ku bari aho yatangaje byinshi. Reka tubagezeho iryo jambo umve ubutumwa Lebron James bwuje amarangamutima menshi yagejeje ku bari bitabiriye ibirori byo gufungura iryo shuri ku nshuro ya mbere.
As a kid from Akron, Ohio myself, I remember walking these same streets. I remember walking North Street, West Market. I remember walking behind here on Crosby, going to Harris Elementary, riding my bike throughout the rest of the city. So when people ask me why a school, that's part of the reason why, because I know exactly what these 240 kids are going through. I know the streets they walk. I know the trials and tribulations that they go through. I know the ups, the downs. I know everything that they dream about. I know all the nightmares that they have because I've been there. I know exactly what they're going through. So, they're the reason why this school is here today. When you were a kid growing up in Akron, Ohio, and so many things were happening, gun violence and drugs and things were going on, and I come from a single-parent household as well. What stopped you from going the other way? And I look out in the crowd and I see a lot of my childhood friends. They're the reason that kind of stopped me from going the other way. Having kids around my same age, and we having the same goals at mine, really stopped me from going the other way. And that's what we want to create here at this school. I want people to know that these kids should still have the same opportunity as everyone else. And that's what's most important. So us as adults, we have a responsibility to not let these kids down, to continue to be the teachers, the mentors, the parents, the coaches, the life studies, the life skills, whatever it is, the inspiration, the superheroes, everything, that's our responsibility, because these kids are our future and they have dreams that's bigger and greater than the city of Akron, than the state of Ohio, than the United States of America. So in closing, thank you so much. I love you too, man. I really do. I really do. And no matter if I'm playing in Los Angeles or not, Akron, Ohio is always home for me. Always.